Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java. In this video, we will see a demo of REST services for Facebook API. Open the application. As you can see, there are 6 URLs. Let's copy first URL and open in a new tab. So when hitting this URL, this will give one Facebook URL. As service name said, generate Facebook authorize URL. Let's copy this and hit this URL. As you can see in URL, the code is available. This code is nothing but access token. Once the token is generated, you can access any of the URLs like getting user data. See, user data is coming. Now hit get user feed. See, user feed is coming. Now hit get user album. See, user albums are coming. Now hit get user accounts. See, user accounts are coming. Now add account in after the URL. See, select account detail is coming. Now hit get user group membership. See, group memberships are coming. Now do same this from Postman REST client. See, all URLs are working fine. You want to learn how this is happening? Then wait for the next video. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.